to show you how the end of a curb. This here curb. It's best always starting off with a big high curb. Oh yeah, pegs. New pegs. Looking quite shabby. Okay, right. I'll do the same as I normally do with demonstration first, and then I'll teach you how to do it. Okay, so that's an endo. Now I'm going to teach you how to do it. Now you probably want to learn a foot jam first. Go and check the other video out. So if you want to learn how to do a foot jam, I'll show you on now. So go and check the other video out if you want to learn how to do a foot jam. We're here for an endo, so basically when you're coming up to the curb, first when you're starting off, you want to just go fast, and it's just going to go up like that. So if you just go fast and just don't do anything, your back wheel should go up a little bit anyways. As you can see, your back wheel will probably go up if you go fast enough. The faster you go. I wouldn't go too fast, because once you get like to a certain limit, you just go over. And that's why you have to like actually push forward. And if you push forward too much, you like that, or you like to go over the bars. So basically when you come up, about right here, push forward as much as you can. That's basically it. But what I like to do while my back wheel's in the air is pedal back. Like when you're sitting like this here, you pedal back. Then when you come down, pedal back again. And then turn off like that. Whichever way. If you have pegs on, you're most likely gonna, if you have pegs on the right side, you're most likely gonna swerve to that side. You have pegs on the left, you're gonna go off. You just like kind of memorize that if you have pegs on your bike. So yeah, I'll give you another demonstration. Try and go.